आएंगे दादा बस
अच्छा लगेगा हाइट ले लो So that day is going to be the unveiling, and the official Durga Puja starts from 28th evening. 29th is going to be our Shaptami. 30th is our Ashtami. First of October is our Navami, and on the 2nd of October is the Dashami, where we'll have our immersion and everything. So this is the plan for the Durga Puja.
And needless to say how much we are missing Debuda immensely. I'm sure we are going to be missing him throughout this tenure. Please tell us about going ahead with Durga Puja this year without Debuda firstly.
I mean, of course for me, but I think for all of us here, this year is going to definitely be marked a lot by the fact that Baba is not around this year. Because especially in the last 10-15 years, he was like so passionate about putting the pujo together. So I think he's going to be in all our minds and hearts. In fact, I'm coming from doing a little puja for him today, and I think everybody here has been already very much at the forefront of organizing the puja and of keeping it going. I think I was standing a little bit more at the back because Dad was there. Now I definitely feel more responsible and a little more passionate myself to step up and do more for Durga Puja this year.
Tanisha, about Durga Puja, about Debuda, and of course about going ahead now.
I think ये साल बहुत ही मुश्किल होने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली में एक नहीं 3 डेथ्स हुए हैं. Unfortunately, it is a family पूजा. हम सब वहाँ होंगे, लेकिन हम एक्चुअली पूजा में बैठ नहीं पाएंगे पहली बार. डेफिनेटली बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होगा देखने के लिए वो पूरा पंडाल एंड एवरीथिंग विदाउट द स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रेजेंस जो देवू काका का पर्सनैलिटी प्रेजेंस एवरीथिंग. आई थिंक हम सबको थोड़ी सी लाइक डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस, लेकिन वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि once again we are able to put this up, क्योंकि हर साल ये जो कमेटी एफर्ट डालती है ये दुर्गा पूजा बनाने में और सब कुछ एक साथ लाने में, इट्स अ वेरी बिग बहुत ही बड़ा एफर्ट है एंड हम सब उसमें शामिल होते हैं. ये पूरी कमेटी बहुत काम कर रही है एंड ये काम एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जो मेरी दादी ने शुरू किया था हमारी फैमिली आगे बढ़ा रही है. तो आई थिंक it's going to be difficult, but we are very happy कि इस साल फिर हम एक पंडाल खोल सकते हैं, चला सकते हैं. होपफुली बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे.
Rima members night में कुछ special dedication है देवुदा के लिए इस बार.
Devu Kaka was one and only for this Durga Puja. He is the epitome of this puja. He was himself an institution. और आज जो भी हमारा पूजा इतना बड़ा हुआ है, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पूजा बिगेस्ट इन मुंबई एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऑल इंडिया ऑल्सो. बहुत ही जल्दी आ जाएगा वो. तो इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ हिम, वन मैन, वन एंड ओनली देव. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही इज रियली मिस्ड अ लॉट. देयर इज नो वर्ड्स. अभी भी हम लोग मिस ही कर रहे हैं, और उनका आशीर्वाद है और उनके ऊपर, अनीशा के ऊपर, शोमलता के ऊपर, सब पर. Members night will be a very special night dedicated to Shraddhanjali and Ishina. So this year is very difficult, but the show must go on, and I think we would be happy. And Devu Kaka is always with us, giving us strength and emotionally, mentally, and देवू काका के लिए तो कुछ भी we can do for him. I mean, he was the captain of the ship, the pillar, and the most loved kaka and active in Durga Puja. बचपन से this is the fourth generation, the Lahiris, that we are in the puja, and Vego is the fourth generation now. My grandfather Apresh Lahiri, Bashuni Lahiri, performed with Shashudar Mukherjee, Dadu and Dida, the great legends. Then my father and me, my brother. Now it's Vego. So ये इतिहास चला आ रहा है, and generations pray to Maa Durga to give Ashirwad, to give us Shakti, strength, so that our children also take it ahead and make it bigger and bigger. That's what I really pray. Thank you so much.
Of the Pratma this year, I would like you to shed some light on that.
Yeah, as most of you might be aware, this is the world's most followed Durga Puja. If we talk about Insta or YouTube, दुनिया भर से करोड़ों लोग अपनी पूजा को फॉलो करते हैं, और इस साल हमने कुछ स्पेशल प्लान्स बनाए हैं. सबसे पहले तो जो अनवेलिंग है ऑफ द दुर्गा माँ प्रतिमा, तो वी वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू कन्वे आवर मैसेज टू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड दैट कि ये डिजिटली भी हम अनवेलिंग करेंगे, and we expect our followers across the world to see that. The other thing is that this year we also have thought about it. We'll try to do live stream of some of the special events such as the Pushpanjali, Aarti. दुनिया भर में अगेन करोड़ों बंगालीज हैं, नॉन बंगालीज हैं जो बहुत श्रद्धा से अपने पूजा को फॉलो करते हैं. बहुत लोग शायद दुर्गा पंडाल जा भी नहीं पाते फॉर वेरियस रीजंस. इस साल वी विल ट्राई टू इंश्योर हमारे इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू कोई भी डिजिटली हमारे ये सब पुष्पांजलि आरती देख सके. सो विल ट्राई टू मेक दिस इवन बिगर दिस ईयर, this being a tribute to Devu Kaka and Rana Kaka, other members who have left us. So we'll try to make it bigger this year.
It's this puja started actually in my uncle's house, in Mr. Shashidhar Mukherjee's house, at the first year. That was much before I was born, 79 years ago. And then it moved to Podar School. I grew up with this puja in Podar School. It was a very small puja at that time. We used to sit, a few of us, on the floor, and people used to serve and so on and so forth. And I think from there, the one who wanted to make it much bigger and bigger was Devuda. And so it graduated from Podar School, went to Balkanji Badi. We ran the puja there for a few years. फिर वहाँ से हम गए ट्यूलिप स्टार होटल, वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 8, 9, 10 साल हम वहाँ पे थे. वहाँ पे पूजा और बड़ा होता गया. नाउ वी हैव कम टू SNDT कॉलेज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल द अथॉरिटीज़ ऑफ द एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ महाराष्ट्र एज वेल एज द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ SNDT कॉलेज के वो हमें परमिशन दिए हैं वहाँ पे पूजा करने का. बट ये दूसरा साल वहाँ पे होगा. अब पूजा और बड़ा हो गया है एंड we get about पूरा कुल मिला के 5 लाख लोग आते हैं. कुल मिला के हम ऑलमोस्ट 20,000 लोगों को खाना खिलाते हैं, भोग खिलाते हैं, विच आई थिंक इज़ वेरी यूनिक. और कोई पूजा है नहीं पूरे दुनिया में जहाँ पे ऐसा होता है. सो आई थिंक दिस पूजा इज़ नाउ बिकम अ लैंडमार्क. और शुरुआत बहुत छोटे से हुआ था, लेकिन ये अभी नाउ इट इज़ बिकम द लार्जेस्ट पूजा in the city. It has become the most followed, most high profile puja in the world. तो हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यही है कि हम ये पूजा को बहुत अच्छे तरह से करें. और all arrangements have been made and it will be a very nice जैसे कि सभी कह रहे थे कि this is a memoriam of gentlemen who have passed away, of my sister who's passed away. But definitely we want to make it a very happy memory for them and institution which they will be remembered by. So yes.
On North Bombay Durga Puja, as a child till today.
Oh, I used to be obsessed with. Can you all hear me clearly?
Yes, yes.
I don't need this, no?
Yeah.
Actually, I was more involved and more obsessed with Durga Puja when I was younger than I think when I started getting more busy with my work. I think for a lot of children, grow up in the Durga Puja, it is just an absolutely fantastic experience. You know, it's just so much fun. You know, serving bhog, uh, all the Anjali, Pushpanjali that happens, participating in it, the feeling of Ma Durga everywhere. It's just a unbelievable feeling. You know, those 5 days of the year were like a festival, which was just amazing. Going home, coming back for evening entertainment. So I think even I discovered a little, you know, later on how deeply Durga Puja is embedded in my mind and heart. So it is very close to me personally. Uh, then of course because of dad and all of this. But I do feel that this cultural tradition that we are helping to continue is also very important in general for our society, for our city, for our culture. It's I see a lot of value in keeping this kind of tradition going on because it keeps something which is very intrinsic to our country and our culture alive by doing it. It's very we could just as easily not do it, but then these traditions, these things gradually disappear. So now I think of it a little bit more from that perspective. I feel we do have a responsibility to keep it going. It spreads an energy out there which keeps things alive, a sense of community alive, which is very important. And actually, I think for my dad also, that was actually what the Durga Puja was about. It was more about bringing family and community together than only a religious festival. Yeah.
Alicia?
Can everybody hear me? I also don't need the mic now.
That's okay.
Yeah. So basically, the Durga Puja for me has always been, it's always been about my dad. It's just always been about my dad. मेरे पिताजी जो थे, he was, वो हमें हमेशा he used to insist, नहीं, you and Kajal will come, you will give Pushpanjali and we will give it together. He would fast. वो wait करते थे कि जब तक हम नहीं आए, वो खाना नहीं खाते थे. उनका पहला meal होता था the bhog lunch. It was just such a insistence on his part क्योंकि वो इतना उसमें माँ में believe करते थे. In fact, today I'm wearing his pendant also, which is Ma's pendant. So it was, for me, Durga Puja has always been like this symbol to my dad, and now of course to Devukata. It's like, I don't know, it's their gift to us. What they would take us there and make us experience this Durga Puja, and I experienced it through my dad. मेरा पूरा experience जो था मेरे पिताजी के थ्रू था. एंड वो ऐसे मुझे याद है मम्मी हमेशा जब भी छोटा पंडाल होता था कोदार स्कूल में, हम ज़मीन पे केले के पत्ते लगाते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू फीड भोग यूज्ड टू बी सर्व्ड लाइक दैट. ब्यूटीफुल. एंड वी यूज्ड टू गेट, सब बच्चे इतने एक्साइटेड होते थे, नहीं मैं खिचड़ी पकड़ूंगी, मैं एंड टिल नाउ अब तक हम सब बहनें इस पर ही बातें करती रहती हैं कि हम मीठा सर्व करेंगे, हम खिचड़ी. एंड शौनादा हमेशा मुझे बोलता है नहीं खिचड़ी इज टू हैवी फॉर यू. एंड आई एम लाइक नो शौनादा, आई डू वेट लिफ्टिंग एंड आई टेक द खिचड़ी. तो ये सब दीज आर द फन हैप्पी childhood memories that we have. And of course my mother used to insist every Durga Puja हमारा जो stalls लगता था, the stalls that you even when it was small, जब ये छोटा भी था ना तभी भी stalls लगते थे. And mom used to insist, she used to bully dad. She'd be like, you have to buy me a Bengali sari, a Dhakai Bengali sari. So till today, my mom buys me, Kajal, Bengali saris every Durga Puja. It's like, it's tradition, yeah. Because dad used to do it every year for her. He would get bullied of course because he bullied. हमेशा थोड़ा सा bullying होता था वहाँ. But it was just, it was like these are the moments, and I think life is just a series of beautiful moments. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Devukata was my mentor, and I learned a lot under him, especially during the Durga Puja, because as a kid For us, it was the biggest, you can say, get together or it was festival, and we enjoyed it. It was the place where all the family, the friends, and it was a place where we could make new girlfriends. So it was a very important place for all of us. But anyway, so Devganga was there on every step. We were under him. He was the mountain, and we never thought that a day will come when the responsibility which he had on his shoulder will fall on our shoulders. And even till last year, when Devganga was there, we were very happy to do the other things, but we were very secure and safe that this mountain of a man is there and the puja will go on very well. It is going to reach its peak. We'll have a fantastic puja. Because when he stood there and the way he conducted everybody, that is the reason today this Durga Puja has reached this height. There were times when getting the Durga Ma and for the immersion, we used to have so much of, our heartbeat used to go for a toss because Devganga always, every year he wanted a bigger idol. So the idols every year started becoming bigger and bigger, and it came to a point where even 50 people couldn't lift it. And I remember Devganga should think that next year how we are going to do the immersion or how we are going to get the idol to the pandal. Then he started thinking, and it was because of him. Today the idol comes on a forklift. We had the biggest immersion because we are the only people who could do the immersion in Juhu Beach with a crane. Durga Ma's idol used to go up in the sky but like about 50 feet high. Everybody should see it. And then the immersion used to happen. So all these innovative ideas he got, he lived in this Durga Puja in such a way that even towards the last few days when we were interacting, he used to only talk about the Durga Puja being like the way it is. He always wanted it bigger. For him, the show should go on. And that is the reason why many people thought that this year we have lost three of our pillars. My father, Devganga, my Vishima. But it was his wish that the show should go on. It will still be the biggest Durga Puja of the country, and this core team is working on it. Every member of our Durga Puja committee is working very hard to see that this year we will have the biggest Durga Puja. We have a beautiful theme this year of Pashupatinath temple. So I feel this year is going to be a very landmark puja, even though the pillars are not there, but definitely the spirit of Devganga is there to guide us, and everybody will be missing him standing there on the stage guiding us.
But as you said, we always wanted the show to go on, and that's how we are here, and we are making it bigger and better, and all your efforts together show that. We would like to know about the Pushpanjali, the timings for people to come from home, medical facilities.
Yeah.
We shall be announcing it, through our Instagram handle. So we will ensure that people know about the timings well in advance, right? And as I mentioned, we will be of course posting lots of reels and all, but more importantly, this time we'll do something special. So rest assured, we shall be announcing. We would request all the viewers to closely track our Instagram handle. All the information will be available on that.
So the Pushpanjali as always will be around 10, 10:30, 11. That is the right time for Pushpanjali. And the Bhog will be roughly between 12 to 3. But like Menak said, please track the Instagram for the precise timings, but I'm giving you generic timings when the events will take place. These are the two critical ones. As far as the Shondi Pujo and the Aarti is concerned, please, that will be announced on Instagram because those specific timings are very important. I don't want to go wrong by giving approximate timings. So please track that.
And the medical facilities.
Look, this is a very large puja and it is our responsibility to the entire community and to all the people who come that they are safe and so we have all kinds of backups, right, from fire engines to all kinds of emergency medical facilities, of course, places to lie down, separate queues for senior citizens, separate places to sit for senior citizens, golf carts for longer distances so that they don't have to walk and they don't get tired. So we have made every provision possible for managing very large crowds. We just hope that everyone is safe and everyone is responsible and enjoys the pujo accordingly.
Just to add to that, we have a huge force, whose job is to ensure that the pujo is, absolutely clean, right? So that's our duty. And also just to let you know, we this time, just like last year, we have a force of ex-NSG commandos, etc. Who would be ensuring that right from safety to cleanliness, everything is taken care of. Right. So that's one part. The other thing is that talking about again going back to the timings, we'll try to also live stream some of the special highlights such as the Dhunuchi Nach and all. Now that is something it's difficult to predict right now, and which is why we would request people to keep track of Insta and so that we let people know well in advance so that they can enjoy the festivities sitting anywhere in the world.
Well, the performance our sisters, Kaka and Shima, and the other members are giving special tribute that night. A small tribute, like dancing in the songs and show of Devu Kaka as an artist, because he was very good artist.
First of all, namaskar to everyone and to all. This puja has been very close to my heart because मेरे great grandfather श्री अपरेश लहरी जी और मेरे grandfather श्री पप्पी लहरी जी और मेरी मम्मा मामा हम सब इस पूजा के पार्ट हैं और Devu Dadu has been the epitome of our non-profit Durga Puja और हर चीज़ में उनका एक presence था. He was presence like he was a pillar in our puja. और आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट लास्ट ईयर मैं और पापा जब हम लोग ग्राउंड पे गए थे पंडाल देखने के लिए तो अकेले रात को 12 बजे देवू दादू अकेले लाइटिंग अरेंज कर रहे हैं और ही वाज जस्ट लाइक अ पिलर ऑर्डरिंग एवरीवन टू डू स्टफ एंड टू लाइक हिज लीडरशिप स्किल्स वर इम्पेक्केबल and I really miss him a lot. I really miss his presence in Ashtami and then when I used to get Haq in the Aarti, he used to always dance with me and everyone used to enjoy. But I really miss Devu Dadu a lot, Rono Dadu and Mishima. And this year puja is going to be a very nice puja because Devu Dadu used to always say show must go on and we should continue doing our puja in a much better, bigger way as how they wanted it to be. And I know Devu Dadu, Rono Dadu and Mishima's blessings are always with us. And I've been singing this puja since when I was a child with my granddad, with my mama, with my mum, solo.
Started singing.
Yeah. So this puja is very special to me and it has a very special place in my heart. And I will always be a part of this puja. And we take this puja together forward.
वेरी जागृत है और जिन्होंने भी स्टेज पे मंच पे उनके मंच में गाया है कुछ भी किया है वो आज सबसे बड़े बड़े दिग्गज लोग हो गए हैं इंडस्ट्री. क्योंकि जब हमने पोटा स्कूल में शुरू किया था तब मैं नाम नहीं बताऊंगी बहुत से आज के जो बड़े बड़े हैं मेंबर्स आके एक एक गाना दो गाना गा के गए. नेम इट मतलब ह्यूज मतलब 20-25 लोग हैं पर इतना जागृत है माँ की, उनका आशीर्वाद जिसको अगर मिल जाए तो मिल गया, बस उसको पीछे देखने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं. So she is a living and she comes in life when all the puja and Pushpanjali and especially on Ashtami, and she is giving us everything. Whatever today we are is only because of Maa Durga. That's it. Thank you.
आपके फैमिलीज भी इनवाइटेड हैं, फैमिलीज के साथ आइए प्लीज, हमें अच्छा लगेगा.
थैंक यू मैम.
थैंक यू सर.
भाई पवन भाई 2 मिनट की बात करो ना. वो पवन भाई 2 मिनट फोटो. आजा 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 आजा. अश्विन येऊ का तू?
आइए ना.
एक मिनट. होल्ड ऑन दादा एवरीवन.
तो लेफ्ट कौन है यो?
आयन सर
आयन सर आपके लेफ्ट.
सामने आयन सर यो स्ट्रेट. थैंक यू होल्ड सॉरी सर. ऑल ऑफ यू सेंटर. थैंक यू. येतो का इकडे?
Come here.
लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे है.
The media for your support.
तनिषा नहीं तनिषा.
आयन सर आपके लेफ्ट में.
सर सर यहाँ पे आयन सर तनिषा तारिक सर यहाँ पे तारिक बाय बाय. दादा बैठ जाओ.
उधर से लेफ्ट ये
थैंक यू. ओके थैंक यू. मामा.